seek for the beautiful scenery, find beauty in the scenery. I learned that this is a quote from Van Gogh. I believe that beauty exists within each person in all its forms. That is the happiest and most comforting thing for me. There are stories in my heart, and there are various beautiful landscapes there. I want to continue to express it through my life. This is my birth series. I'm planning to filming the process of completion. I will post a video of birth process. Please wait for that. See you in the next video.